Just when I think I'm all alone, which I am, but I'm not, because there's a drone. Can you hear it? Oh, it's right there. You can hear the zipping. There's a wedding going on. I keep on thinking I'm an Iron Horse, but it's not Iron. Iron Springs. Iron Springs, Utah. I almost said Iron Springs, Idaho. But yeah, it's beautiful down here. And it's not, whoops, it's not that crowded. And the weather in Cedar City, oh my gosh, awesome. So it's warm, it's the 80s, but there's always this nice breeze. And yeah, I know, I need a haircut. Get off my case. But they have pickleball courts and tennis courts. Check this out. And the rooms are about 100. There's a hotel. There's also a nearby RV park. So these are the pickleball courts. They have a stage for whatever, right? Nice pavilion. Okay, small snag. The nets are not set up for pickleball. They also have basketball. Okay, so it looks like you just have to move the nets yourself. Huh. So they have the posts for the nets, but those nets are tennis court size nets. Not quite sure how this is supposed to work. Huh. Oh, and I just realized that I showed you the card first. Yeah, Lauren Denhalter, General Manager. And this is where I am. Iron Springs Adventure Resort. Lovely. I like the train. That caught my eye right away. There's just something about trains. The nostalgia, the sound, and whenever I'm around trains, train tracks, I feel like a kid again. Let's go check this out. That red thing right there. It's always fun to see what you can find when you're not on your phone. Okay, I'm filming on my phone, but it was in my pocket. I think one of my kiddos might like this feather. And I found this drink mix that I've tried before. Unfortunately, this has already been opened, so I can't have it, but it's actually pretty good stuff. Electrolyte mix, liquid IV. The taste is pretty good. But there, I picked up a piece of trash. Joseph, does that make you happy? There's the train. Whoa! There's a big hole. Ow! Good night. How did I not see that hole? Okay. I need to get my GoPro back so I'm not looking through the lens. A battery bot? Wow, can I go up on there? It doesn't say no trespassing. Idaho barley. It's locked. Huh. Looks like one point it had an outhouse or something. Oh, it is open. Hello? Okay, not creepy at all. The main breaker, radio, a stove, nice chair. Looks like an electric chair. Won't be sitting down in that. An old ice box. It's kind of creepy. I don't want to stay in there any longer than I have to. But kind of cool. Creepy cool. Interesting. Oh, mind your step. Alright. Watch out. Holes. There's a lot of big holes around here. Thinking about doing a video series, my life behind the lens and the importance of not vlogging when you're around other people. And luckily, if you couldn't tell, there's nobody around. I haven't seen one other person or kid in the last 10 minutes. Nobody's outside. Apparently it's too hot. But I've been inside the hotel for the last hour and I was underneath the blankets. Our room is at 65 degrees. Awesome! Let's go Let's go walk the track. Don't do this at home, kids. Oh yeah. Can't tell you how many times I've looked death straight in the face as I've walked the tracks. I'm just kidding. Ooh, sagebrush. Okay, so if there's sagebrush growing here, that means these tracks are either rarely used or hardly ever used because the train would go right over these and they wouldn't be alive. So, you know, from all those merit badges I earned when I was in scouting, I would guesstimate that there has not been a train on these tracks for at least 2 or 3 weeks. Otherwise that brush would not be that high. Oh, I'm walking the line. Oh, and I'm off the line. So is this instead of the green mile, this is the brass mile. Iron, the iron mile. Okay, let's take a look at battery life. So I left it out in the sun, well, in the shade inside the hotel room where the temperature was around 70 degrees, so it wouldn't overheat. Outdoor temperature now, since I'm outdoors, it is a balmy 97 degrees. Ooh, 98. And this is the Garmin Enduro 2. It's a lovely watch. I traded my friend, well, traded my brother JP straight up for the Garmin Epix 2. What do you think? Did I make a good deal? There we go, solar intensity 36.5, which is not quite 1% yet. So we need more outdoor time. Oh, they're setting up for the shindig. I hope they're serving cake. Hope they have extra. This plug, I do like the taste of the Coca-Cola Gatorade water. It's alkaline, so it balances out all the other crap that I put into my body. And yeah, it was on sale for $1. $1 for this size water in Utah, pretty much anywhere in the US is pretty good. Huh. It appears someone broke something. Oh, there's a cheap plastic wine glass from a wedding. Signs of horses or cows. Yeah, no one's using these tracks. More lovely outdoor seating. At night with the lights, this place is going to be awesome.
Incredible people. We're going to have a few words and then we'll have the exchange of rings.
Those of us who live here, and many of us who know Pedro and Sean, have had the privilege of watching this relationship blossom. And I remember quite clearly Pedro going on that first date them, so is it a date? No, it's not a date. We're just going out. But when you came back that evening, it was indeed a date. So now here we are, these many months later, to this wonderful day. Pedro and Sean have asked two people very close to them to say a few words